Hi, this is John from NYC. Okay, today what I'm going to do is a giveaway of this alcohol stove. This is one I've been using. This is going with that, the seal. But I'm not giving away the used one. I am actually giving away the brand new one. As you see it in a bag. Okay, still in the plastic wrap. I have not taken it out. This is the first time I actually took out of the box. Okay, so this is the GOHIKE alcohol stove I'll be doing a giveaway with. Let me put that on the side. Okay. So, in order for you to enter the contest, you must be, okay, subscribe to my channel. 1, you gotta give me thumbs up on this extra video. That's 2. Number 3, on the comment section, okay, on the comment section, you have to type in GOHIKE, okay. That's how you will enter the contest. Without doing all those 3 things, you are not entered. Okay? I only have one extra of that, what I showed you, the brand new one. So that's the one I will be actually giving away. Okay? So I'm being really fair about the giveaway on this thing. Okay? That's 1. Number 2. Oh, I said number 2. I'm sorry. The reason I'm doing a giveaway, I'm doing an appreciation for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I just passed the 1,000 mark recently, 1,000 subscribers. So because I appreciate you guys subscribe to my channel, that's the reason I'm doing a giveaway. And hopefully you guys understand that I'm not just doing a random giveaway to whatever. I'm just doing this to show you guys appreciation. Okay. Since the weather is much warmer these days, this thing primed really fast now. And I'll tell you what. This thing is really great. Okay. You can use this going on a camping, fishing trip, or whatever. I use this every time when I go fishing. Well, almost every time. Sometimes I use the gas one, but whatever. Anyways, so I'm trying to be the fair as possible about the whole contest. Please do so, and then I'm thinking about do the actual drawing or to picking a person who I'm gonna give to. I guess end of June or the 4th of July or before then. I'm not too sure. I haven't really picked a date. That's what I will do it. Also, it doesn't matter which country you are from, as long as the regular or United Postal Service or FedEx, whichever at that time, can go to that country, you are allowed to enter. Okay? So this is the video about the whole giveaway contest. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and on the comment section, type GOHIKE. Okay? That's how you enter the contest. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time. Okay?